In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can go ahead and log into Periscope. And you can see right off the bat, you have those three options available to you: Facebook, Periscope, YouTube. We're going to go ahead and choose Periscope. Notice the login button here. And clicking on this will bring in the little drop-down drawer where you're able to either A, create a new account, or simply log in. You have the three choices here where you're able to log in with Twitter, Facebook, Google. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Twitter, and I'm going to go ahead and type in my Twitter handle here. So for this, go ahead and have that in there, and then go ahead and type in the password. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the sign in portion. All right. Now, if you do have the security code set up, you're going to have to go to the phone that you set up with this, and go ahead and type it in. I went ahead and got the code here already on the phone, and I'm going to go ahead and type that in right now. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and click on submit, and usually you're going to have to click on this right here where we're going to authorize Ecam to make some changes on us, allowing us to go ahead and be able to stream live through Ecamm Live. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the authorize, and now we are all set. So we click the get started and then the go live. That would allow us to stream live on Periscope. Okay, now with Periscope, there's no settings on here that simply allow you to stream to the public or stream to a specific kind of group or invite only kind of stuff. So it is very much to the public. Okay, but that's how we can get started with Ecamm Live inside Periscope.